Hello students, in today's video we will see what is parabola and how to draw it. So first of all, see this is a cone in which apex of the cone is called as vertex. The center line is called as axis of cone. This inclined line is called as generator and this elliptical portion is called as base of a cone. Now parabola is defined as when a section plane is inclined to the axis, that is this inclination, inclined to the axis and parallel to one of the end generators, then section obtained is called as a parabola. Now what is the eccentricity value for parabola? So the formula for eccentricity E is distance of point from focus to the distance of same point from directrix. As we have seen in ellipse that eccentricity is less than 1, then it is ellipse. If eccentricity is equals to 1, then it is parabola. And if eccentricity is greater than 1, then it is hyperbola. So here eccentricity ratio is distance of point from focus. So what is focus? So focus is any point on the axis and distance of same point from directrix. So directrix is any vertical line. Now we will see how to draw parabola. So we will take one example. On first method of parabola, that is directrix focus method. This is first method. So let us take example. Draw a straight line AB of any length. Then mark point F 60 mm from AB. Trace path of point P moving such a way that ratio of its distance from point F is equal to the distance from straight line AB. So first draw a straight line AB of any length. Then AB is called as directrix of parabola. So AB is directrix. Next, mark point F 60 mm from AB is given in example. Mark point F 60 mm from AB. So draw 60 mm distance from this line AB. Give its name A and B. Then take any point C on this line and mark 60 mm distance. And give name to this point as point F. Now CF is called as axis of parabola. So CF is the axis. Now it is given that ratio of its distance from point F is equal to the distance from straight line AB. So we have to divide line CF and take 30 mm from point C and give name to this point as point V. So V is the vertex of parabola. V is called as vertex. So distance from point F, that is VF, is equal to the distance from straight line AB, that is VC. So VF upon VC is equals to 1. VF is equals to VC. Therefore, we have got VF upon VC is equals to 1. So, VF upon VC is nothing but eccentricity. So, eccentricity is equals to 1 and therefore it is a parabola. Now, eccentricity is ratio of distance of point from focus, that is VF. Distance of point V from F, that is VF, and divided by distance of same point from directrix, that is distance of point V from AB. So eccentricity is 1, therefore it is the example of parabola. Then next task is divide this VF line into equal number of parts. You can extend this line and take 4 points at any distance. So I will take, this is point 1, this is point 2, at F this is point 3, and at here I will take point 4 at any distance. Then draw perpendicular from point 1, 2, 3 and 4. So while taking perpendicular, draw a line parallel to this AB line. So I will take line parallel to AB and from 1, 2, 3, 4 draw it. Now next task is take C1 distance and F center. So take C1 distance in your rounder and point F as center. So C1 and point F center. Mark a arc on this line, that is the line which is going from point 1. Then similarly take C2 distance and center point as F. So take C2 distance and center point F. Mark a arc on second line which is going through point 2. Then take C3 distance and center point F. And mark a arc on third line. And last, take C4 distance and center point F. And mark a arc on fourth line. So I have to extend this line up to the arc. So this point we got. Then give name to these points as, suppose this is point P1, this is point P2, this is point P3 and this last point as P4. Then next, below the P1 there is a point P1 dash. So this is P2 dash, P3 dash and last point is P4 dash. Now next task is we have to join all these points with the help of French curve. So join all these points with the help of a French curve. So first I will join P4 dash and P3 dash, then P3 dash and P2 dash, then P2 dash and P1 dash, and P1 dash 2 point V, and similarly join V2 point P1, then P1 2 point P2, P2 2 point P3 and P4. So in this way we have completed parabola by directrix focus method.